Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be addressing the two most common issues I see new online arbitrage sellers face for Amazon FBA, and that is they can't find profitable items in tactical arbitrage, and if they do, those items are gated. So I'm going to give 3 solutions to that, as well as suggest certain areas to start looking for items in. So the very first thing before I get into anything is I want you to have the mindset that this setting up a scan should take 10 to 15 minutes for proper research. So what I mean by that is you should be doing research on stores, which stores have sales. So you should be having certain stores that you're scanning maybe once a week or once every other week. And then there should be new stores that you're trying, but you're looking for the sales, and you should be looking for the sales regardless of whatever you're scanning. But that you can do this by going to Top Cashback or Ebates first and see, okay, what % off of this store can I get? And we're going to use Macy's as an example. So let's say we go to Ebates and we can get 10% off Macy's. So the next step is, okay, let's go to the store and see what sale they are having today. So that may mean scrolling all the way down at the bottom and clicking on sales. You may have to scroll through something at the top. So let's say they're having a 20% off store-wide sale. Now, sometimes it's just a certain category, and maybe you just want to scan that particular category with that % off. But we're going to use 20% off the entire store as an example. So counting our 10% off from Ebates, the 20% off from the store, and let's say we have a credit card that's 1% cash back, that's 31% off our entire purchase. So now what you're going to do is you're going to plug that into the filter section in your tactical arbitrage. That way, when you run the scan, this tactical arbitrage will account for those discounts to give you more items that you could possibly source. Now, the next problem that people face is gated categories. So I'm going to go ahead right here and give you guys a list of categories that I think are great for beginners to start sourcing in. Those categories include home and kitchen, tools and home improvement, books, sports and outdoors, arts, crafts and sewing, office products, grocery and gourmet foods, garden and outdoor, pet supplies, and baby. Now, there may be some other products that you can list in some of these other categories that I didn't mention, but those are great beginner categories, and I think you should just double down on those. So now what you're going to do is in the easy bulk section of your tactical arbitrage is only pick items that you see that fall into those categories. So sometimes it's just using common sense, and you're scrolling through the easy bulk, finding items that line up with those Amazon categories, and just use your best judgment. Sometimes it's not spelled out exactly in black and white. Now, once you do that and you select your categories in your easy bulk, you have your sale off, you run your scan, you say, Kris, I'm still finding some gated brands. And here's what I want you to do with those gated brands. You're going to make a spreadsheet of these gated brands. You can sort them from A to Z if you'd like, but just keep track of them. And you're going to plug those in to your tactical arbitrage filters with words you do not want to show up in the scan. And then that way, those products do not show up in your tactical arbitrage scans. So then you're not going to get those gated brands, and you won't waste time with those. But I'm going to even take it one step farther. Now your goal is to get ungated in those brands. And I'm not going to really touch on the ways to do that in this video, but I will leave a link in the description below on a video I have of how to get ungated, as well as how to find wholesale suppliers online from your laptop. And those are really what you're going to want to start selling with those brands. So guys, that's pretty much it with this video. I hope you found some value in it, and I will see you next time. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, feel free to like and hit that subscribe button. And if you want, you can also join the Facebook group in the description below, where you can network with a bunch of like-minded people. And I'm also answering questions as well. See you in there.